What's up, my people? In this repair, we'll be fixing iPhone 11 Pro Max. This iPhone 11 Pro Max was brought in for no charging. It's just stuck on that battery sign on the screen, which the phone doesn't come on. And if the phone comes on, it stops charging. It doesn't increase. There's nothing happening on the screen. So we did our physical inspection, and before this initial repair, I already have experience with this kind of issues, and I know that the problem of this phone was coming from the charging. That's the USB-C chip, which is the TriStar chip. So we'll have to remove the motherboard from the housing and remove the TriStar chip. So after separating the motherboard, we'll locate the TriStar chip, replace the TriStar chip with a good new one, working one, then reassemble the phone, test the phone, and make sure that everything is working. But I don't want to say anything so far, so I just wanted to watch the processes on how we do this kind of job. Thanks, guys.
Stranded in the open,